Welcome to aminacademy.com in human anatomy and physiology regarding diseases of the kidneys. Let us discuss about how does dialysis work. First, what is dialysis? Dialysis is a treatment for people whose kidneys are not working when you have kidney failure. Your kidney don't filter blood the way they should. As a result, wastes and toxins build up in our bloodstream. Common wastes including nitrogen waste, that is urea, muscle waste, creatine, and acids. They usually leave our body when you pee. Dialysis does the work of our kidneys by removing waste products and excess fluid from our blood. Why do people have to get dialysis? People who have late stage kidney diseases, end stage kidney diseases, or kidney failure may need kidney dialysis. The following diseases and conditions can damage our kidneys, leading to kidney diseases by high blood pressure, diabetes, lupus. Some people develop kidney problems for unknown reasons. Kidney failure can be a long-term condition or it can come on suddenly, acute. After a severe illness or injury, acute kidney failure may recover. There are five stages of kidney diseases. In stage 5, kidney diseases, healthcare providers consider you to be in kidney failure. At this point, our kidneys only functions at least less than 15% of their normal rate. Now we'll discuss further detail about how does dialysis works. First, understand dialysis about the dialysis. Look at here. This is a dialysis schematic diagram. Look at this. Here, blood removed for cleaning like this, and it's filtering, and fresh dialyzer. Go to fresh dialyzer and come back and come here to clean blood return to your body. Dialysis act as an artificial kidney for patients with kidney failure by filtering waste, excess water, and balancing chemicals like sodium plus, potassium plus, HCO3 minus in the blood. The process uses a semi-permeable membrane and a cleaning solutions, that is dialysate, to remove toxins via diffusion and convection. The two main types are hemodialysis, that is external machine, and peritoneal dialysis, internal body cavity. Next, what is hemodialysis, HD? The process. Blood is removed from the body, usually via fistula in the arm, and pumped into a dialyzer, that is artificial kidney. Filtering. Inside the dialyzer, blood flows through tiny, thin-walled fibers. A cleaning solution called dialysate flows outside these fibers, pulling waste products and extra waste from a blood through the membrane. Return. The cleaned blood is returned to the body. Schedule generally performed 3 times a week, lasting 3 to 5 hours per session. Clot prevention. Heparin is often used to prevent blood clotting during the procedure. Peritoneal dialysis, PD. What is that? Process. Instead of a machine, the lining of the patient's abdomen, that is peritoneum, filters the blood. Mechanism. A cleaning solution, dialysate, is introduced into the abdominal cavity through a permanent catheter. Filtering. The peritoneum acts as a natural filter, allowing waste and excess fluid to pass from the blood into the solution. Exchange. After a few hours, the usual solution is drained and replaced with fresh fluid. An exchange. Schedule. This is one done daily, either manually 4 to 6 times a day or automatically at night while sleeping. Both types, when used effectively, help control blood pressure and maintain chemical balance in the absence of functional kidneys. What are the benefits of dialysis? The primary benefits of dialysis is that the treatment treats kidney failure by filtering waste products and excess fluid from your blood. Without dialysis or a kidney transplant, kidney failure is fatal. Both types of dialysis have distinct benefits. Talk to healthcare provider. They can review both type of dialysis with you and recommended one that's best for your lifestyle. Can kidneys start working again after dialysis? Dialysis can't cure end-stage kidney diseases or kidney failure. Useless. You get a kidney transplant, you'll need dialysis for the rest of your life. How the hemodialysis works here? Look at this. Here, this picture give clear idea. First, look at this one. First, blood removed from for cleaning. It goes like, and heparin infusion. They are infusing some external medicine and go live, and it goes to filter arrangements and come to the body. The pure blood go to the body after cleaning. Peritoneal dialysis. Peritoneal dialysis uses the lining in your abdomen belly called the peritoneum to act as a natural filter for your blood. When you have peritoneal dialysis, a fluid is pumped into a space in your abdomen called the peritoneal cavity. The fluid enters and leaves through a catheter. The catheter is a thin, soft tube about 30 centimeter long that stays in place all the time. Waste from our blood moves into the fluid in our peritoneal cavity. The fluid is then removed from your body via the catheter. So far, we discussed a little about how dialysis works and what is dialysis. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.